Gotta say though, Koichi,
To avoid detection, we each worked on our own materials separately, then assembled them secretly in the night. This is the largest we could afford to build.
let's store the boat here for now then.
Uh-oh. I'm a feel...
Maybe it does, but my family has pretty good connections with the yacht. As long as I'm polite and respect. And anyway, to your point.
That's true. This was all a collaborative
Ah, so your season. Anyway, thanks for everything. And your fireworks are ready, so just go pick them up from my house.
Oh, don't worry about